A4C has been on sale for more than a year. Alfa Romeo's US comeback tour really starts with the all-new Giulia. The car goes on sale this month and is expected to compete head-to-head with sports sedan competition from Germany, England, Japan, and America. The automaker released details on Giulia trims and pricing, and it appears to be right in the mix with the competition. The new Alfa Romeo Giulia starts at $38,990 with destination. While that's on the high side of its class, it's still right in the mix. All of the competition falls between the $34,445 BMW 3 Series and the $40,425 Mercedes-Benz C300. Where the Giulia really shines at this price point is performance, with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that generates 280 horsepower and 306 pound-feet of torque. Alfa claims a 5.1 second 0 to 60 miles per hour time for the base model, which trounces the competition. The big bad Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio starts at $73,595 with destination. That's quite a bit more than the BMW M3 and Cadillac ATS-V, but it's right on par with the Mercedes-AMG C63S sedan. The 4-leaf Clover has a 2.9-liter turbo V6 that turns out 505 horsepower and 443 pounds-to-foot of torque. That's good for a 3.8 second 0 to 60 miles per hour and a record-setting 7:32 Nürburgring lap time, if you care about such things. The standard Giulia and Giulia T, $40,990, are available with FCA's Q4 all-wheel drive system for an extra $2,000. The Giulia T is available with T-Lusso and T-Sport packages for $2,250 each. Think of the T-Sport as the Quadrifoglio Lite and the T-Lusso as the comfortable and relaxed model. All versions of the Giulia come equipped with an 8-speed automatic, and Alfa Romeo currently has no plans to offer a stick shift in the US. The Giulia Quadrifoglio goes on sale this month, with the rest of the lineup hitting showrooms next month. If shoppers can look through the vast competition for what on paper is the sportiest of small sports sedans on the market, Alfa may be here to stay.